फिर से आ गए हमें एक छोटे वीडियो के साथ। तो हम जा रहे हैं मड़गांव से पणजी, क्योंकि उधर एक मीटिंग होने वाला है पशु के टॉपिक पे। सो इट्स अ डॉग टॉपिक विच वाज रिसेंटली कम आउट। सो वी आर गोइंग टू गो देयर एंड सी व्हाट दे आर गोइंग टू स्पीक अबाउट द डॉग्स। दिस मीटिंग इज कॉल्ड आउट बाय गोवा एनिमल फेडरेशन। तो हम उधर जाके उनका ओपिनियन लेंगे, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है। सो लेट्स सी। So we have reached and there are many people over here. We are a little bit late.
हे सगळे त्यांच्या बरोबर आहे. आम्ही ती कुत्र्याच्या विषयी हेडकी कुत्री असे कोंकणीत शब्द आम्ही कम्युनिटी डॉग्स म्हणतात. सो त्या कुत्र्याबद्दल काही लोकांक खबर आसना किंवा केन्ना इन्सिडंट जाल्ले आसता म्हणून लोक अप्रेहेन्सिव्ह आसतात. तर ती आमची ड्युटी आम्ही लोकांक हे समजावून दिवपाची. Scheme time bound, as our Vijayanji has said, that first 3 years 50,000 each per year. If we do, then if you say 3 lakh dogs within 3 years, we do these surgeries properly, we do vaccinations, we call Goa rabies free, and if we keep this kind of tempo, definitely anything is possible. Once we do this, government, you will have no worry about stray dogs and community dogs. Please understand and support us. Come out with proper scheme, proper allocation, time-bound schemes, and implement them. That is what we are saying. Thank you very much.
Cruelty that is done on dogs, wherever you go, every point. If you see in the societies, moreover in the societies, if you go to see the cruelty to animals, आमचे सगळे डॉग लवर्स मुखार येवपाचो, आवाज करपाचो गरज. आणि कारण कितें? Just because of 1 or 2 aggressive or ferocious dogs, rest of the dogs should not be suffered. If you also see, there could be a rapist, the entire family is not taken and put in the jail. If you see, because of one dog, you can't put all the dogs in the jail. But the judgment aloha, I want to ask the Honorable Supreme Court, High Court, and so on and so forth. Law is in your hand. But tum jenna judgment pass kotai, you all have to make a judgment in such a way that the poor dogs don't suffer. Exactly. Not the kittens, not the cats, not the dogs, not any animals. Matter of fact, none of the animals have to suffer end of the day. कित्याक तुम चोवपाक गेल जाल्यार आमी गव्हर्मेंटाचे पयशे घेयनासतना आमकां कितकोन गोटा तेश कोन आमी मुखार वयताय, आमी फीड कोताय, आमी तांकां स्टेरिलायज कोताय, आमी तांकां वॅक्सिनेट दिताय, आमी तांकां न्यूटर कोताय. आणि आमको जात त्या एक्सटेंडान आमी तांकां फिजिकली ऑन ऑपरेट कोन तांकां आज तेचे रिलोकेट आमी कोनाय, त्याच लोकेशनाचेर आमी सोडटाय. अँड वी विल मेक अ पॉइंट that as much as we can, we will take care of the stray dogs, we neuter them, to sterilize them as much as we can. But again, आमकां स्वतापा बंद कराय, गव्हर्मेंट आसा आमकां स्वतापा बंद कराय. आणि law should be such equally as much as God has given us. All the dogs of the country and put them into the such kind of a system. So we applaud the Supreme Court for once again going back to law. But I think it is a wake up call.
क्रुएल्टी म्हळ्यार काय जाय, कोणाक काय पडोन गेलें ना. ही जर शिक्षा जर आमच्या मनशाक मारता तशी जर सगळ्यांक मारून तशी शिक्षा जाय जाल्यारूच हे कंट्रोलान.
And suddenly they are called menace. कि कुत्ता काटता है, कुत्ता करेगा क्या? What would a dog do if a dog goes on the street minding their own business? Someone comes, kicks a dog, shoos a dog away, does not let the dog a little bit of shelter when it rains, when it's sunny, what do you expect a dog to do? What would a human do if someone does that to them? So whenever we talk about cruelty, always put yourself in the place of the victim. If I talk about a dog being abused, I don't say अरे कुत्ते को मारा है, कुत्ते को ही क्यों मारा? I think कि अगर वो मेरे साथ होता तो मेरे को कैसा लगता? And if I get hurt and if I have the right to protect myself, don't you think the dogs have it?
Yes.
They have it?
Yes.
What are we fighting for? Their rights. What are we fighting for?
Right.
What are we fighting for? Louder. What are we fighting for?
Their rights.
That's it. So every time you go out, you talk to people, always understand you're not talking about just welfare. You're not talking about just giving them feeding spots, sterilize them. You're talking about their rights. Their right to live, the right to be free from pain and suffering. Because only when one has rights, one has the individual capacity to live without fear. And when one is without fear, is when one is living with love, with compassion, with brotherhood with other animals. And that is how we create a coexisting society. By giving every individual their right to live, their right to free from suffering. And that is what we should be advocating for. Not just animal welfare, animal rights. Thank you so much.
Now we are heading back. Basically, it was a media related meeting. तो उसमें क्या बोला उन्होंने? Just they were just appealing for the government to give ambulance and money for the sterilization, and I don't think anything. And then they were sharing their experience related dogs and dog feeding and how they feed dogs. Only that much and nothing else I found out about that. We got to meet a lot of people and we got a contact number of the Margaon feeders. So एक तो फायदा हुआ जाने का. So we got a contact of the Margaon feeders. If any problem we have, then we have to contact them itself. So they can.
Meeting up is not important. Working and action is important. So I believe in that. So I feel we should talk less and work more to help these voiceless. This is what I feel.